it's unfathomable to me as to why the UK Government has decided that this is the right moment to add additional costs onto essential safety equipment. We are providing PPE on an industrial scale in the Welsh NHS and social care system, 440 million items of PPE already this year, of which 220 million have been provided to social care providers. It will cost, in the Welsh system alone, an extra £20 million, which is money now we don't have to provide services for cancer patients and cardiac patients, all the other things that members on the Conservative benches have been asking me about this afternoon. That money will now be handed back to the Treasury as a result of this decision. But Joyce Watson is very right to point to the impact on small businesses and charities here in Wales, organisations that are really struggling during the pandemic, whose business model has been very badly affected by it, who are trying to do the right thing, who are spending money on PPE for their staff and sometimes for customers. Now they will be paying that. No, Andrew R.T. Davis suggests to me they'll just get it back. Well, small businesses which are not VAT registered won't get it back at all. Charities which are VAT exempt will not get it back at all. So I'm glad to see him defend it. I'm glad to see that he thinks it's a good idea that a safety tax should be introduced here in Wales. It tells us a lot about the priorities of people on those benches, that they're willing to pontificate when they think it suits them, and then when something as ridiculous as this happens, they're prepared to defend it as well.